What do where I have everybody feeling? Welcome back to another video. I'm back with another food review, and today I got some fork in Nigeria. It's a it's a it's a food truck. Yeah, let's see what I got. Huh. Okay. So I don't know why they put. Oh, I guess I gotta pour it in here. This the igusu igusu igusu. This the igusi soup with the fufu. Oh yeah, well, I'm sorry. This the egusi soup with the chicken, cause you pick the meat separate. You gotta add your own meat and jollof rice, of course. And this dessert they call puff puff. It's like a sweet bread or something. So we're gonna see what that tastes like. And this, I think it's called like tobu. It's like a. She said it's like a healthy Kool-Aid. We're gonna try this rice out first. It's the jollof rice. Okay. It's not spicy, but it got a little spice to it. I can feel it in the back of my throat. I like the flavors. Like the texture. They cook the rice to perfection. So I'll separate equally. It's not too soft. They cook it just right. But it do have a certain texture to it, like let me see, like what kind of rice that is. It give off the texture of rice pilaf to me. The more I eat it, the more I can taste the spices. But we gonna try this goose. I don't know why I can't pronounce it. I've been pronouncing it right all this time. The goose. It don't make no sense how much I mispronounced it. This video. The igusu soup. This is my first time having this too, by the way. But I'm just gonna Try with a little small piece. You know, you're supposed to eat it with your hands. Now, I don't know about just swallowing it without chewing it, because I'm going to have to chew it. I don't know. I'm going to try to see. Cayenne don't have no taste to it, but that's how it's supposed to be. All the flavor supposed to come from the soup itself. So from all the videos I've seen, it's the best like they say to have it into a little cup so you can scoop it up. Cause then a little bit came, but then much come. There we go. I can't just swallow it though. I don't know how they do that. And the soup it's not bad. I'm about to make an okra soup now. Now all this came out to okay. It ain't bad though. All this came out to 37 and some change. I know for a fact this was 5 and the puff was 5. Puff. So this was the rice and the igusu was 20. Now it was like 15, I'm guessing, and plus you gotta add the chicken. The chicken is separate, like I said, so whatever they price for that, so somewhere around there. So I guess it wasn't too bad. Okay. Chicken pretty tender. Let's see what it tastes like though. Oh, you know what? It's not even the igusu. Igisu. It's actually the okra soup. So yep, this is the okra. I didn't get the igusu. I love okra. I like okra. If you don't get enough of the soup, the potato will overpower and it will taste bland. But if you get it right, do slide down a little better. Try with some of kick it with the rice. Whatever these spices is and this rice, they hitting. Like I said, you get it right, you can just swallow it down. Cause I did it a couple times and see if I could do it on purpose or do it right this time. And I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't expecting it to be this good, but it's busting, busting, busting. You know what? Why is my camera blurry? Mm-mm-mm. This whole time. See if I can fix that. Mm-mm-mm. Oh no, it's fixed now. I don't know why it was blurry for a minute. You know what? Let me try the soup with the rice. Get a little rice. And then hit it with the soup. Hey, that's good too. That's pretty good too. But I do like it better with the yams. I don't know if I said that. This actually this sweet potatoes. It's not regular white potatoes. It's yams. Now I wonder how this reheat. The yams, I know everything else can reheat fine, but I wonder how them yams reheat. So the okra's still a little hard, but you think of okra, people think slimy, It's not slimy at all. So I'm a little stringy, like the big ones, big pieces they got in here. Too stringy though. Uh, Shoot, that's the only complaint. That's the only complaint. That was that last one I bit. I saw it too before I bit it, but I didn't think it was gonna be that bad. All right, let's try some of this Kool-Aid. Again, we're gonna try them puff puffs. I taste that ginger. First thing I taste was that ginger strong. It don't taste bad though. There we go. It needs a little shaking up. That ginger was the first thing I tasted. It was so strong, but that aftertaste, I could taste all the sweetness of the other juices and whatnot. Yeah, there we go. Hey, it's pretty good too. Got a puff puffs. Trying to see what this put me in the mind of. Just a ball of dough. Okay. It's a little. It ain't really just a little hint of sweetness. Just it almost put me in the mind of a pretzel. But it's a little more chewy than a pretzel. But it got that outside crust of a pretzel and the softness of the pretzel. Like I said, it remind me of a pretzel, but these just a little more softer. I like them though. It's like more of a more gooey than softness. It's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good. See the seasons, a lot of them new to me. I never had like especially the flavor of this rice. I never had jollof rice before, but I like it. These flavors different to me, but it's not different to where I can't enjoy it or like it. I might like the rice better than the soup, but the soup hitting too though. Ain't no slouch. Yeah, ain't no slouch. Shame on me for coming into this judgmental. Now, I ain't did much talking in this video. I did a little bit, but not much as I usually do. Trying to explain the meal and all that, but this was really good. Especially with my expectations. Didn't, not expecting it to be this good. This doubled what I thought it was going to be. Everything, tens all across the board. Off the meter. I think that's what I said I was going to call it before. With everything being 10, so off the meter. But this is probably the second or third time, everything was a 10 in the meal. So yeah, it's off the meter. Y'all think y'all could eat the okra soup, then eat it with your hands too? Some folks don't like eating with their hands, but that's how this is supposed to be ate, with your hands. Like I said, it's 10s across the board. Everything was good. Like I said, everything doubled my thought of what in my mind, what I figured it to be. All my good people, appreciate everybody that watched the video to the end as always. I still been going hard with my everyday posting for the month. And I'm still on the road to 1,500 subscribers. I'm at 1,300 something. And I'm almost at not almost at the 4,000, but I'm almost at 3,000 watch hour time. All right, my good people. Appreciate everybody watching the video to the end as always. And stay tuned for more. Already.